Hi and welcome to my course, Composition for Abstracts. Now, if you're a beginner painter, this is perfect for you. It'll show you how you can have different compositions to create abstracts. It'll give you a structure to work with, and it'll make abstract painting easy for you. I'm a teacher, and I've taught students for years these techniques and these compositions. And I find they have the greatest success when they're following a composition. I want you to avoid that Jackson Pollock splash the paint around and see what happens mode. I want you to look for basic shapes, colors, moods, textures, brushwork. Put all of these together to create a fantastic abstract painting. We will cover different compositions, like the high horizon composition, and I will show you different examples of what the work looks like. You can have as many different ways of creating abstracts as there are people. You can have just a lot of fun trying out these compositions. These are just a few examples. You can use watercolor, you can use acrylic, you can use printmaking, you can use any medium that you like. You'll also have the low horizon composition and examples. You will have the frame in frame composition and more examples. Now, every 3 compositions, I give you an assignment. You will work on using one of these compositions and create a painting. So by the end of the course, you will have at least 3 paintings under your belt using the compositions. You'll also have the meandering or H composition, the vertical strata composition, the X composition, the diagonal strata composition, the T composition, and the horizontal strata composition, and the Big Bang or explosion composition. Now you can use any medium you like I said, and you'll have a lot of fun creating all of these. Now, if you're a beginner, there's also a bonus section on how to choose your paper, your brushes, your canvas, and little tips that will help you have a better painting. So join me for Composition for Abstracts, and we'll have a lot of fun together.